Hi everyone, my name is Richard Jang, Technical Marketing Engineer here at Cisco, and I'm here to give a tutorial about how we can leverage the Aironet Active Sensor to test third-party non-Cisco Wi-Fi networks. The Aironet Active Sensor is a wireless Cisco device that proactively tests your wireless network, then sends test results to Cisco DNA Assurance, an intent-based networking platform that provides you visibility into your network. While initially designed only to test Cisco wireless networks, starting with Cisco DNA Sensor and Sensor Software version 2.1.1 and beyond, we've now introduced the ability to test non-Cisco wireless networks, giving it true value to be deployed in any wireless environment. To demonstrate, we can open Cisco DNA Sensor and create a test template for a third-party non-Cisco Wi-Fi network by first navigating to the Sensor Management page under Assurance, Sensors, Test Templates, then add Sensor Test. We can first create a unique template name, then, rather than selecting one of Cisco WLC's auto-populated SSIDs from the left, we can manually input any non-Cisco Wi-Fi name within the input field on the right and choose between an open WPA2 Enterprise or a WPA2 Personal level of security. This gives the Aironet Active Sensor the ability to test not only third-party enterprise-level Wi-Fi, but also the Wi-Fi at your very own home. Given the current work-from-home conditions, I have a sensor deployed at my home, and the Wi-Fi name I've entered is my home's personal Wi-Fi and the typical WPA2 personal level of security. For demonstration purposes, I'll add a second Wi-Fi name and use WPA2 Enterprise, then click Next. From here, the sensor test configuration is the same as configuring a Cisco Wi-Fi network. I can enter the password for my home network, and I can select the specific EAP method for my non-Cisco enterprise network, such as EAP Fast, PEEP MS-Chat v2, EAP TLS, or PEEP TLS, then provide the credentials and proceed to the next page. On this test configuration page, other than IPSLA testing, which is not supported for non-Cisco Wi-Fi, we have the same categories of Wi-Fi tests ranging from onboarding to performance, and so on. After we've selected the tests we want, we can proceed and select the AP coverage of our non-Cisco Wi-Fi, which for my setup, I'll choose 5 GHz, leave the number of target APs as 1, and target AP RSSI threshold as -70 dBm, and continue, review the summary page, then click Create Test to complete the test creation workflow. To deploy the template to our sensor, we can click Deploy Test at Location, where we'll have the option to deploy this template globally, per building, per floor, or sensor. Next, we can choose between our test reoccurrence, which is either periodic, a fixed interval, scheduled, which allows you to select specific days of week and time of day, or continuous. Finally, review the summary page, click Deploy Test, and this completes your sensor deployment workflow. With just that, you now have a sensor that is testing your third-party non-Cisco Wi-Fi network. And by navigating to Assurance, then Sensors, we can monitor our non-Cisco Wi-Fi with the same intuitive dashboard as before. If you look at the sensor device itself, you'll also observe its LED is now flashing orange, meaning it's properly managed by Cisco DNA Sensor and is in the process of running our deployed test. This concludes this tutorial. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.